2013 Hyundai Veloster. This is a 3-door coupe. It's very unique, economical 4-cylinder, aftermarket 18-inch black alloy wheels. It's got the dual exhaust right there in the center. It looks super nice. Very sporty car. It's got the panorama roof, high intensity headlights with LED running lights. You can't see it right now, but at dusk this thing looks real nice. There's the running lights there, fog lights below. It's got the hood scoops or the louvers on the hood, no hail. The body's really clean, folks. Take a look at these aftermarket 18-inch wheels with nice tires. On this side you can't access it, but it's got the dual Recaro style seating. Take a look at the roof. And when you actually shut the glass, the tailgate, it's one piece. Push start, keyless fob, paddle shifting. It's got a nice sound system. Let's step on the gas. Let's hear the exhaust real quick. It's got the dual exhaust right there in the center. It's bone stock. Eric, can you shut the tailgate for them? I want to show them the glass here. So that's actually part of the roof there. And here's how you access the vehicle. You got a small door back here, making this a coupe or a sedan, whatever you call it. But it does have power window on this door, and it's got a real slick door handle there. Very nice interior. Let's take you on a short test ride. There's a push start right here. Eric, if you could please focus on the dash. When you have this key in your possession, all you have to do is put your foot on the brake there. Vehicle starts right up. No warning lights. All the lights, check the system and go. We'll set these in your pocket or wherever. There's a power moonroof. This vehicle does have the backup camera with the backup sensors, automatic climate control, traction control. You have your USB iPod ports there. Real nice sound system, as you would imagine, with the, let's see here,
71 Camaro,
steering audio
engine,
controls.
Transmission. The owner
it does have navigation too. We'll put it on media. Change the stations here.
You got to check it out.
You have to excuse us. This is our first time checking out this vehicle. Subwoofer here. If you notice, we deal a lot in trucks, but we do have some sporty vehicles such as this Veloster. We have, similar to this would be Eclipses, Mustangs, Subaru Imprezas. So we have a great selection of vehicles for you to choose from. This particular one has a paddle shifting as well. Sounds real nice. Economical 4-cylinder. As you see, the transmission shifts correctly. No warning lights on the dash. 83,637 miles. Body's clean, as you saw in this video. The handling is real nice. Very, very compact. Very sporty. Brakes feel good. I think the black wheels match the white real nice. Everything on the vehicle works as it should. Eric, can we check the glove box there? See if you got all your owner's manual, maybe some receipts that are included. We bought this vehicle from a new car store. Most likely they sold the customer a brand new vehicle and they took this as a trade. Now the paddle shifting is very simple. If you notice, there's a plus to my right and a negative or a minus to my left, and all you have to do is have the vehicle here, and you could shift manually. No, I'm not going to redline it. It redlines at 6,500. Shifts nice to all the gears. 4th, 5th, 6th. So 6-speed automatic transmission. Financing is available. All you have to do is fill up a simple online application for credit. It will come to us directly. We're located on Highway 13 right next door to McDonald's and across from Burnsville Menards. We have Honda Accords available as well, 2-door. So feel free to give us a call with any questions. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.